Hey there, eSparkers! My friend Mandy has been collecting bamboo sticks to feed her family. Look how many she has! Now she needs help counting them all. Let's help her count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's use these to make a group of 10. Making a bundle of 10 helps us count large numbers easier and faster. Let's keep counting how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can organize the sticks into one group of 10 and 8 ones. That's 18 sticks. The 1 in 18 shows one group of 10, and the 8 shows 8 ones. We can use 10s and 1s to show all kinds of large numbers, just like we did with the 18 sticks. This chart helps us see that 18 is one group of 10 and 8 ones. Using 10s also helps us make the numbers 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. In this quest, you will learn all about using 10s and 1s to make big numbers. Good luck on your quest, and have fun eSparking!